It is your time. You've done the work, and your promise is so deep and beautiful that you will cherish the journey and forget the pain. They say, when a clown moves into a palace, he doesn't become a king. The palace becomes a circus. Be careful who you invite into your home and who you give easy access. No matter how in control you are, it only ever takes one clown to destroy everything.